Hey guys, how to delete Google search history permanently. Navigate to your one of your Google's apps, let's say Gmail or Google or Maps, whatever, and then click your avatar icon the same way at the top, right? Same steps, and then hit manage your Google account, right? And you're gonna see the search history from my activity. Let's go to the data and privacy. Okay, scroll a little bit down, somewhere here. I'm gonna go, let's say, not the person, okay, not here, right? So go to the data and privacy, of course, scroll a little bit down, and go ahead to the web and app activity, right? And you're gonna see and delete activity from Google Ads, Google, and Google Play, and of course Google Maps and all that stuff. Include Chrome history and activity from sites, apps, and devices that use Google services. If you agree with that, you could just go ahead and instead of turn off, just turn off and delete activity, right? And the choice applies across many of the Google's app, right? Many of the Google apps. So new activity won't be saved to your account. Then hit next, and then choose activity to delete, right? What happens when you delete activity? Your activity will be permanently deleted from your account and no longer used for personalization. And then hit continue, right? And you can delete it right now by selecting delete. Okay, that way you can delete the activity in the web history from Google platforms. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.